Hey, Joe, coming at you here. I'm just up in my tree stand. Day 3. I think it's hour 10. Still no sight of anything with big horns, or even with no horns for that matter. Anyway, real quick topic that you might like, and that is this. When you get all that time in your hands, what do you do for introspection? What do you do with all those thoughts? And I'm going to say, number one, first and foremost, I'd recommend taking that time for some prayer time. Some people use meditation, prayer meditation, whatever. That is a very important thing to do when you have that much time, when you're just alone with your thoughts. Secondly, I'd really recommend that you spend time looking at all the things you're thankful for in your life, big things, small things. Especially if you start recounting the smaller things, you'll be amazed at how many things you come up with and how that makes you feel. One thing you do want to do if there's demons during introspection or negative thoughts about failures, wish you could have done better, all I would tell you is to try to do what I do, is I take that time to say, okay, these are some shortcomings that I had through the years. Now I'm age 63 looking back, but what I learned from it, how did it make me better? That is so key, is to look at those things and say, how can I use that to be better in the future? What I learned from that, what I learned from my failures, so important. I hope that makes sense. And the last thing is, when you get times like this, enjoy the moment. Take this time when you have so much time to think, and just enjoy the moment. I'm out here in the beautiful state of Minnesota. It's 17 degrees. Just enjoying the outdoors, the sights, the sounds, the smells. Be in the moment, because being in the moment is the best way to live. So you don't always be thinking about the worries of the past and the worries of the future. So hope that helps. And with that, wish me luck, because this is the last day I'm going to be out here. So this is the last 2 hours. So if I shut up, maybe I get a shot at something.